So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit BigCommerce themes. So the first thing you want to do is log into your BigCommerce account, and you will need to jump a bit from part of the page to another part of the page. So from here you can go uh, through your storefront. So you can go through here by clicking on themes, and you can even see themes marketplace, so you can get a new theme if this one doesn't suit you. So from here, I'm using the default theme, which is Cornerstone Light. So you can see developed and supported by BigCommerce, customized, theme details, and advanced. If I click on customize, it's going to open up something similar to this, but from there, it's going to open up right here. So through here, you can see widgets, layers, as well as theme styles. You can see live store and help underneath. So if I click on theme styles, you can see here Cornerstone, and I can edit my theme through there. So I can see the styles, the global, header and footer, homepage, products, buttons, icons, and checkout page. And I can even edit theme files through here. So if I wish to edit theme, I could go through edit theme files, but I will first need to make a copy of that. And you can do that through here. So we're back at the first page or the beginning. You can see customized, theme details, and you can see advanced. If I click on make a copy, it's going to save all the information it has about current theme. And after that, we're going to be able to actually set it up or to edit theme files, in this case, edit its code. So through there, you can even see some styles like light and bold. And you can see the warm. So you can do some editing before that, but I strongly suggest you first make a copy and then start your editing. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.